Welcome to the Fat Girl Fitness channel with your host, Jamie Wheeler. Join me as I unravel the mysteries of weight loss and share the secrets behind WEGOVY, the ultimate game changer. In this informative video, Jamie explores the science, success stories, and potential pitfalls of WEGOVY, all while guiding you towards a healthier, happier lifestyle. Subscribe now and embark on this transformative journey with Jamie. Introduction. In the constant pursuit of health and wellness, the battle against excess weight is a challenge faced by many. Traditional methods like diet and exercise have long been the go-to strategies, but what if there was a groundbreaking solution that could potentially revolutionize the weight loss journey? There is, and it's called WEGOVY, a recently FDA-approved medication that has been generating considerable buzz in the world of weight management. In this article, we'll explore what WEGOVY is, how it works, its benefits, potential side effects, and whether it might be the game changer you've been searching for. Understanding WEGOVY. The brand name for semaglutide 2.4 mg, is a prescription medication developed by Novo Nordisk. It belongs to a class of drugs called glucagon-like peptide-1, GLP-1, receptor agonists. Initially used to treat type 2 diabetes, WEGOVY's weight loss effects were discovered during clinical trials, leading to its recent approval for chronic weight management in adults with a body mass index, BMI, of 30 kg per square meter or greater, or a BMI of 27 kg per square meter or greater with at least one weight-related condition like high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, or high cholesterol. How WEGOVY works. WEGOVY works by mimicking the action of GLP-1, a hormone that plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels and appetite. By activating GLP-1 receptors in the brain, WEGOVY helps to increase feelings of fullness, reduce hunger, and slow down the emptying of the stomach. Additionally, it may also contribute to improved insulin sensitivity and decreased food intake. Benefits of WEGOVY. Significant weight loss. Clinical trials have demonstrated that WEGOVY can lead to substantial weight loss when combined with a reduced calorie diet and increased physical activity. Participants in these trials experienced an average weight loss of around 15% of their body weight. Improved metabolic health. Beyond weight loss, WEGOVY has shown positive effects on various metabolic parameters, such as improvements in insulin sensitivity, blood sugar control, and lipid profiles. Sustainable results. One of the key advantages of WEGOVY is its potential to provide sustainable weight loss. This is particularly important, as many individuals struggle to maintain long-term weight management with conventional methods. Potential side effects. While WEGOVY offers promising benefits, like any medication, it comes with potential side effects. Common side effects include nausea, diarrhea, vomiting, and constipation. Some users may also experience changes in appetite, which can be both a positive and a negative aspect of the medication. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before starting WEGOVY to assess individual risks and benefits. Considerations before using WEGOVY. Medical assessment. Before considering WEGOVY, it's essential to undergo a thorough medical assessment to ensure it is a suitable option. Factors such as existing health conditions, medications, and medical history should be taken into account. Lifestyle changes. While WEGOVY can enhance weight loss efforts, it is not a standalone solution. Adopting a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and regular exercise, remains integral to achieving and maintaining weight loss. Cost and accessibility. As a prescription medication, the cost and accessibility of WEGOVY may vary. It's essential to consider these factors and discuss them with a healthcare professional. Conclusion. WEGOVY represents a promising addition to the toolkit of weight management options available today. Its ability to induce significant weight loss, coupled with improvements in metabolic health, has sparked interest and optimism in the medical community. However, like any medication, it is not without potential side effects, and its suitability for each individual should be carefully assessed by healthcare professionals. As we navigate the evolving landscape of weight loss interventions, WEGOVY stands out as a potential game changer, offering hope to those on the quest for sustainable and effective weight management.